Hi you guys, just me. We're just gonna go over the forms one more time and then some really basic information. So this is video 1 out of however many it takes. Just for prices really quick, minis are 3, shatterproof or plastics, same thing, are 4, sparkles are 5, and then glass or glitter glass are 6. I'll show them to you guys later, and obviously you'll get really familiar with what they look like, and they're color coordinated. I put some ribbons on them so that there's no confusion because some of them are a little bit iffy on the size. Let's go to the big form first because it's the most confusing and it's also the one you should be doing first when talking to somebody who's willing to buy an ornament. So to do this, let's start way over here. Date, 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 always. Just so we keep track of everything, it makes it easier and it's going to make things easier in the end when we're tallying everything up. Then, always initials. So I just did mine and Calvin's for an easy example. You can, write them however you want, full name, first name, just so we know who's doing it. Let's start over here. You're going to put the quantity down. 1, 2. If you're doing more than 1, you can put it on a line like this and then add a bracket and take however many lines you need for the order specific to that number. So if they ordered 2, then I want you to do 2 separate lines. If they ordered 3, so on and so forth. It's going to take a little bit, but it makes it easier and they'll be satisfied in the end when they get the right color and everything like that. You're going to write the type down, so it's okay if you abbreviate, but be careful so that we don't have any confusions. I'll make an abbreviation chart if needed, but go ahead and do what you need to. Colors are the same way. Whatever they pick out, you can abbreviate it, but know that like blue and black both are BL, and if you're writing fast, it can look messy. So just try and be as neat as possible. We have a pick 2 out of 3 thing going on with whatever we paint on there. So let's just go over that really quick. We have the capability to paint a design, a year, or a name on there. You can pick 2 out of the 3, so we have 12 different designs. So they can't pick 2 designs. I think that would take too long, but they can pick 1 design and put the year on there. They can pick a design and put the name. They can pick the year and put the name, whatever. As long as they only pick 2 out of the 3 and they only get 1 design. Just make sure that's crystal clear. Questions, ask me tomorrow. Then lastly, I want you to put the name down. Here I have an example of if somebody were to order 2 ornaments, you just need to bracket their name together with the second line. Then you don't have to write it over again. It's just like the completion of the bracket. The completion of the bracket on the other side. It makes a lot more sense and when you see it in person. Then I want you to put the price down. John Doe, quote unquote, ordered a mini and a shatterproof. So the minis are 3, the shatterproofs are 4. Put that down and then put the total in the column over here. Don't worry about this last thing. If you want to draw doodles in your free time, go ahead. Put the total down there and you can bracket it together or write it over both lines or whatever makes most sense as long as it's clear. Again, if there's questions, then I can go back and ask you because your initials are on the page. Okay, moving on.